common question that we receive here at Absolute Services is, should I repair or should I replace my system? There are many factors to take into play when asking that. Age will be the number one thing that I would look at. If your system is 12 years old or older and it's got any kind of very serious repair, I'd strongly suggest you at least look at possibly replacing your equipment, because those repairs are going to come, are going to be far closer together, and they're going to be far more costly the older that those systems are. The efficiency of a system that is 12 years old or older is going to be considerably less than what a new system is going to be. So the energy usage is going to be far greater in those older systems. So that would be a major factor to consider. And then the next thing is how well that system's been maintained, because at some point it's going to fail completely if it wasn't maintained. So if you know all the maintenance history of that, that would be a major factor in considering whether or not to repair or replace your whole system. So there's several things to consider cost-wise. But like I said, we typically at about 12 years old, that's when we're suggesting that if there's any type of major repair, that you probably would be better off on replacing the complete system. But if you have any more questions, or you would like for us to send one of our comfort advisors out to your home to go over in more detail with you on that, our phone number is 502-561-8444. Thank you.